Hello friends, my name is Tofik and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can use symbols in Adobe Illustrator. Now, if we use symbols properly, we can save a lot of time and effort in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So firstly, let's say I want to use same object multiple times. So instead of copying the object, what I can do is I can convert that object into symbol and then use it. So I will show you. Now I will apply some color. Now this is a simple object, but instead of copying this object, I will convert this object into symbol first. So go over here, and if you can't find the symbols panel over here, then simply go to window and turn on the symbols panel from here, symbols. So it will show up over here. Now we can convert this object into symbol in two ways. Simply we can drag it like this and name the symbol. So I will press cancel this time, or you can simply select the object and press on this plus mark and you can name the symbol anything that you want. So I will name it shape, simple name, and you can select any type, that doesn't really matter over here. So movie clip, graphic doesn't really matter, dynamic and static doesn't matter. So simply press OK. So now this is a symbol, and we can simply differentiate a simple object and symbol by this plus mark in the center like this. This is the mark, so we can recognize this is a symbol and this is a simple object where there is no plus mark or similar looking symbol, the icon. So this is a simple object. So now what I can do is I will delete this, and you can simply drag the symbol from here, and we can copy this multiple times, as many times that we want, and we can also copy this on a different page. So I will create a page. Now this is a different page. I can copy this on a different page. Now what is the benefit of using symbol? Now let's say after copying the objects, I realized I needed to change some shape, or I needed to make some change in the shape and color. So instead of changing the color and shape of all the objects, we only need to change we only need to make change in one object. You can select anything, any symbol that you want, anything, and simply double click and press OK. Now we can change. I will use the direct selection tool, and let's say I want to change this. I will zoom it a little bit, and again I want to change the color, so I will change the color and simply double click, or you can also click here over here, double click. So as you can see, I only change or made change in one object, and automatically it has changed everything. Every symbol has been changed. So this is the benefit of using symbol. Now we can do the same thing to text. So let's say I'm writing anything. I will increase the size. I will change the font. So let's say I have written Graphics 10, my channel's name, and I'm going to convert this into a symbol like this. I'm going to simply drag this and I will name it text. You can name it anything that you want. Now let's say I have copied this multiple times. You can copy this as many times as you want. As you can see, I have copied this so many times on different pages. So once our design is done, later we realize that, let's say we realize that we needed to change something. Let's say you have written your contact number or address, and later on you decided that you need to change the address or contact number. So you can simply click on any of the symbol, text symbol, double click, OK. Once again double click to edit the text, and you can simply write, let's say I want to write this design, and again I want a different color, so I will choose this color and simply double click. As you can see, I only made change in one text and everything is different now. This is the beauty of symbols. So the symbols can save us a lot of time and effort if you use them properly. So I do recommend you using symbols to save time and effort, and it is very easy to use. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.